Hello, in this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to play Hamster Kombat using your Android phone. Click on the Play Store in your device, and then search for Telegram. After searching it, you must download this in your Android phone. As you can see here, I have already downloaded Telegram. So after downloading it, simply click on Open, and then click Start Messaging. Input your number. And there you go. I am now in Telegram. Search for Hamster Kombat and click on Play in one click. Click Start and wait for it to load. Then you are now finished. As you can see here, you are now able to play Hamster Kombat using your mobile phone. Thank you for listening.